Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trim sounds on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on plus icon in the bottom and then you need to click on uploads and select any video. So I am going to select a random video. So here is the video. Okay. Then you need to click on add sound and here you can see the option, you can see different sounds. So let me select this one and then you need to click on this scissor icon. Okay, and then you need to drag like this, and once you select it, then you need to click on done. Okay, and so this is the process by which you can trim sounds on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.